Welcome to the launch of Polestar 2. This is where we are building the new electric car brand Polestar. Now, let us go straight to the heart of Polestar 2. Now, what is the heart of an electric car? The battery. Now, because this is the most crucial criteria a modern premium electric car has to deliver on: range. With a target of 500-kilometer range, you can rely on this battery power in Polestar 2. Now let us take a look at the complete drivetrain and the figures. Here is the long-range battery with a 78 kilowatt-hours capacity. And then there's the electric motor in the front, the electric motor in the rear, each 150 kilowatt and 330 newton meters. Let's make the math, do the math. It is a total of 300 kilowatt power and 660 newton meter of torque. 408 horsepower in a Polestar 2. How awesome is that? Now let us move over to the center display. That is an 11-inch big, gorgeous touchscreen. It's bigger for more information, for richer detail, and of course, for easier use. We teamed up with the pros in the respective field and acknowledged that it is pointless to think that you can do everything best yourself. So, we embedded Android as the infotainment system software, bringing Google Assistant, Google Maps, and the apps of the Google Play Store into Polestar 2. And let me demonstrate that to you. Find charging stations nearby.
Showing results for charging stations nearby.
Look at that, that's quite a list. Another topic where we take care of your worries: charging. We understand that for many of you, the range of a car, the charging, is a concern. So, first we make sure that you get really far with one charge, offering a high battery capacity in the Polestar 2. Second, in Polestar 2, it is really easy to find the charging stations nearby, with the full integration of the infrastructure into the navigation and an intuitive search functionality.